Hello, this is Mike Pennacchi, owner of Network Protocol Specialists. In this segment, I would like to talk about why I use the OptiView XG to do network performance testing. The network is slow. If you're in networking, this is something you hear on a regular basis. The application people blame your network, the vendors blame your network, and your end users blame your network. One of the biggest challenges we can run into is proving it is not the network. Using the performance test on the OptiView XG, I can take two different approaches to assessing the performance of the network. These are testing the link at full line rate and application pre-deployment testing. The first approach to using the performance test is to run packets through the network at full line rate. This can range from T1 speeds all the way up to 10 gig, depending on the type of network I'm testing. Based on the results of the test, I can determine if the network is capable of transporting data at the desired rates. If it's not, I can use the OptiView XG to determine where the packets are being lost and fix the problems before putting the network into production. This type of validation testing helps ensure new installations go smoothly. The test results can be saved and used to determine if changes to the network degrade performance. The second approach is to use the performance test to emulate application traffic prior to deployment. A good example of this is voice over IP. When deploying VoIP, I need to ensure the quality of service rules are working properly and that latency, packet loss, and jitter are not going to degrade voice quality. By deploying the software endpoint at each of the remote locations, the OptiView XG performance test can be used to perform pre-deployment testing of applications, such as VoIP, across multiple sites. Poorly performing sites can be identified and fixed before the application goes into production. The performance test can also be used for troubleshooting. Should the performance of the network be in question, a performance test can be run across the link. The results of the test can be compared with the expected throughput rates to determine if the link is performing properly. One of the great advantages of the performance test is the test parameters can be saved and used again and again. The PassFail results allow anyone to repeat the test and quickly determine whether the path will support the application. These are some of the reasons I use the OptiView XG for network performance testing. To learn more about how the OptiView XG can help you troubleshoot your network problems, please visit www.enterprise.netscout.com/OptiView.